So I just got a package from Fashionphile. I'm about to open it with you guys. It is a Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and I purchased it on reserve, which is basically a layaway. Got 2 months to make your payments, and then they send you the bag. So let's get into it, because I'm not a YouTuber and I just want to open my bag. Okay. So boom, as soon as you open it, inside the box says Fashionphile on the box, and there's a little card, and it says, oh, it's my receipt. I got the item. Okay, you can see what I got. The Louis Vuitton Damier Abine Neverfull Mm. What I paid for it, $9.20. It says they have something called a refresh program where you can sell it back for up to a year and receive up to 75% what you paid for it back. And a nice thank you card. And it says, "We want this back. When you're ready, simply click the sell back link for up to 75% of the purchase price." Okay. And of course you can return it with tags. All right. So what is this? Oh, just filling. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. All right, so it has a sticker on it right here, and it says, "Used is the new new." All right. Okay, so this is different. It has a gray dust bag. A lot of people on the internet have black dust bags with the white printing, and it is really thick. It kind of feels like a sheet, but hey, I guess I didn't buy it for the dust bag, and I already have a Louis Vuitton dust bag. So okay, into the good stuff. Okay. Oh yeah, this is the real deal. Let me take this out the bag. Okay. I'm in love. This is the real deal. Okay. Really nice. All right, I'm done. I'm just like so heavy right now.